Hi, I'm gonna do a unboxing my Coastal Scents order. So I placed an order not too long ago. It was like Labor Day weekend or something, and it could have been Labor Day, so Monday, and today's Friday. So it took 4 days to get here. So I'm like so excited because I got it really fast. So yeah, so let me show you the box. I already kind of opened it. I didn't open everything. I just kind of looked inside and stuff, and I kind of put it back how it was. So I want to show you what it looks like. So here's the box. So cute, pink box. And on the top there was the order form or whatever it's called. So I have that on top. And then when you open the box, you see that it's like tissue paper. So let me just show you. And it came wrapped in bubble wrap. It's awesome. Like you could tell they take good care of the way they box it to make sure that you don't get anything that's broken. So they take really good care of it, and I love that. This is what it looks like. The bubble wrap, and I got like 5 different things. Oh, and I also got at the bottom of the box there was I ordered this one. Um, it's called Coral Pink, and it's an eyeshadow, pink eyeshadow. And I got this as a sample. It says thanks for your shopping or whatever. It's a sample. Um, and it says MOH, so it doesn't have a name, I guess. Um, oh, and it also came with stickers. I love makeup. And a card. So yeah, that's all that was in the box. And okay, now let me show you the good stuff. So I have the Winter Berry palette, and these are cool because they're like the MAC palettes where you can put the little pots inside the palette. So I got this, and I'll show you right now in a minute what it looks like. And then I also got the Fall Festival palette. Also, it has the little where you can insert the eyeshadows. And then I have the 26 Shadow Blush palette, which I love. Can't wait to use because I love the Coastal Scents palette. So we'll see how that goes. And then finally I got the 28 Neutral palette. So I'll start with the small ones. The Fall Festival palette. So this is what the box looks like. And then when you open it, you see that it has more bubble wrap. So it's covered in bubble wrap, which is good, really good. That's what it looks like. And when you open it, it comes with this plastic cover. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Really pretty fall colors. And you can, like I said, you can take out the pot and change it or whatever. And I have this Winter Berry palette. So it looks the same, just like the Fall Festival palette. It comes with bubble wrap. And I think this one is my favorite one. This is like it's really nice. Like the colors are really beautiful. And again, it comes with this plastic cover. And yeah, those are the colors. beautiful. I love the colors. I think it's just, sorry, yeah, it's just really nice, really pretty colors. So then there's that. And then, wait, sorry. The 26 Shadow Blush. This is the one that I'm like really excited to use. Because like I said, I love the blushes. The Coastal Scents blushes, they're awesome. So, see, this is with the blush. Those are the colors. Shade. So, take a look. Again, bubble wrap. And 26 Shadow Blush palette. Okay, this is being really stubborn. Okay, there we go. Okay, again, plastic on top of the shadow. And look at this. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. I love it. Oh my gosh. I really like this. Ooh, look, it's this color, this one on the bottom that I rubbed or swatched. And look at that. That's awesome. I don't know if you can see it. Looks good. My son just fell. So that's the 26 Shadow Blush. Pretty. Can't wait to use it. And then lastly, I got these 28 neutral palettes. And let me do this fast because my kids are going to start running in the room and I'm not going to be able to finish this video. So, again, this is what it looks like, the box. And then plastic bubble wrap, I mean. Okay. These things are really hard to open. Okay, plastic. And these are the beautiful colors. And it's so weird because I never really was into brown. When I first started wearing makeup, I used like colors. Like I was using purple and blue, colorful colors. Okay, like, and now I don't really. I mean, now I'm more neutral, I guess. So, yeah, I love browns. I love natural looking colors. I don't know what I'm wearing right now. I don't remember. I got ready really fast this morning trying to get ready for school. So yeah, but look at these colors. Look how beautiful this is. So yeah, I'm really happy. I can't wait to use them. Like I said, I already have the blushes, so I knew it was good. So yeah, that's my unboxing, and I can't wait to use it. See you later. Bye.